how to resell items on Roblox. So if you want to resell some items, the first thing that we need to do is check if the item is resellable. So the only items you will be able to sell on Roblox are limited items, and right here I've just opened up this from the marketplace and it has a section resellable, no, so this specific item will not be resellable. But if you have items which you can resell, here's how you do it. You open up your Roblox, you click on the menu here, the navigation menu, and we want to go to inventory. Now, like I said, you will only be able to resell limited time offers. For example, here I'm going to go into classic clothing and classic t-shirts. And if this t-shirt is limited offer or limited time, we want to open it up. And if you're able to resell it, if you click on the three dots here, you will see sell item. So you will be able to see an option to resell the item. So once selected, you will have to set a price for it. Roblox is going to take 30% of what you set. And then if somebody buys your t-shirt and if you have successfully resold it, then your balance will increase right here. So that's basically how it works. Hope this made sense. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.